masipag ka? May schedule ka! Okay, thank you!
And now we call on from customization team, John Paul Sipagan and Leia Amora.
Leia Amora mula sa Department ng Customization.
John Paul Sipagan, representing Gusto!
Okay, thank you, John. Okay, we call on from Paper Department, Carlos Mendez and Lara Christine Guerrero.
Lara Glorioso, 19, representing Paper!
What's up, MEI? I am Carlos Mendez, 22 years old, from Papers. Naniniwala sa kasabihang, basta tulong-tulong, walang gugol.
Thank you, Carlos, and thank you, Lara. And now, definitely not the least, our last contestant from QAC, Rosemary Maravilla and Kim Morales.
Quality is everyone's responsibility. I'm Rosemary Maravilla, proudly representing of QAC Department, living a saying. Sa matinig na QAC.
Good evening, Dollar MEI. I'm Kate Morales, 23, from QA Department. Mag-iwala ka sabihan kung magpaparikon kayo, siguraduhin yung walang labis at kulang.
Isang mga palakpakan sa ating apat na contestant. 4 pairs for Mr. and Miss MEI. Ang gagaling, ang gagaling.
So isang round, no, ng lampa. Now, bago natin sila tawagan